Introducing the world's first photovoltaic umbrella, the umbrella that uses the sun's light to charge your devices while you're on the beach, meaning your mobile phone, your tablet, your power bank, and every other device that uses a USB cable to charge. The photovoltaic umbrella uses a combination of photovoltaic panels and a power charger to power your device. Just plug in a USB cable in your device and that's it. You harvest the sun's energy. Early birds use 3D printed plastic parts for the charger and an ergonomic design so that you can use your PV.U easily. There is a bag next to the charger that can hold your device while charging and keep it cool while it does so. The white fabric of the umbrella and the double fabric inside will surely help in keeping the temperature low. This is the first umbrella ever that has integrated solar cells on the fabric and a charger on the inside. The solar cells used are of monocrystallic type for better performance. These cells are integrated in a PET plastic base, a material that is mostly known of its high endurance. This way, a very strong photovoltaic panel is created that can withstand the sun's radiation, the heat, and the salty air from the sea. The solar panels are combined by two in a beautiful and symmetrical design. By this way, the panels are absorbing the maximum energy from the sun. The PV.U uses a polycotton fabric that is commonly used in high-quality umbrellas that gives a great shade and a unique aesthetic. So, the only thing you need to do is deploy the PV.U, set it on the sun, and enjoy the summer. The photovoltaic umbrella closes as most umbrellas do and can be stored in its very neat and cool bag.